Hey guys, it's just me, Mr. Wee. So I'm gonna be going over where we left off in class. So if I could just pull this up in just a second. So give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, so where we left off was we were given an example of tan of x divided by x, and then you had to find equations for the lines that were tangent and normal to the graph at x equals 2. And where we left off was we found our line is, you could have had it in multiple answers. Y is equal to 3.433x minus 7.96, and that's for the line that's tangent. However, I was alluding to a line that was normal to that line. So just to reiterate, in case you forget where we were in class, we had a lot of lines going on for f of x is equal to tan of x divided by x. But I believe here, this is tan of x divided by x. Right there in pink, I asked you for the equation for this line that is tangent to x equals 2, right? But now I'm asking you for the line that is normal to that point, that is perpendicular to that. So here we found that it was y is equal to 3.433x minus 7.96. Now we have to find the equation for this line. Okay, so the basis is still the same. So we're on part B now. The basis is still the same. It's just your m value, your slope, is going to be the negative reciprocal of this value here because it's perpendicular. The slope for this guy, for the tangent line, is 3.433. But to find the line that is normal to that, you take the reciprocal, which is 1.1 divided by 3.433, and then you add a subtract sign or a subtraction sign. And then you have to find, we're going to have to plug it into this equation. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So we have your m value here. We just need an xy coordinate. And the xy coordinate, or x1, y1 coordinate, technically, we already solved back over here. I know this is a little bit different from the notes that you saw in class, but it's exactly the same thing. Our point would be at 2. And we plugged in 2 back into the original equation of f of x is equal to tan of x divided by x. And that gave us approximately negative 1.093. 1.093. Okay. And then we're just going to plug it into this equation, and that's it. So it's going to be y minus negative 1.093. And then you're going to set that equal to negative 1 over 3.433 times x minus 2. You can leave it in this form here, or you could further simplify it. So let's just go ahead and explore this a little bit. The slope would be negative 0.291 if you plug this into a calculator. X minus 2. This is y plus 1.093. And then you can subtract 1.093 from both sides. Okay, and then you can keep going further. You can distribute out the negative 0.291 to the x and the negative 2. So I believe if I did the math correctly, it should be negative 0.291 times negative 2 should be approximately 0.582 positive, and then you add, or you subtract 1.093 from that. And let's see what that looks like on the calculator. Oops. I believe that's approximately about minus 0.511. So I would have been fine with just an answer that looks like this here. What we had earlier before we started crossing things out. This would have been okay, but I would have at least expect you to make that a plus sign, or something like this would have worked out just fine too. Okay. All right, guys. You guys take care. You guys have a good day. Bye.